How we doing, folks? Hey, Jeff Herrick coming to you from Green Industrial today in Belgium, Wisconsin. Beautiful spring day here in Wisconsin. We just unloaded a generator set. Wanted to show it to you real quick. This is a Cat V12 engine. It's a 3412. This machine here puts out about 749 horsepower at 1800 RPMs. So it's a 500 kW machine producing 480 volt. Comes with a unit mounted 800 amp Merlin Gerlin circuit breaker on the opposite side of the machine here. You'll see some pictures of that in just a second. There was an enclosure on this generator, wasn't in the best of shape, so we removed it. Two reasons: one, to get at it for a better PM and a clean job here. If you wanted it with the enclosure, you'll see some pictures at the end of the video. We could sell it this way or drop the enclosure back on top for you, whichever way works. But folks, it's a good looking machine. It runs good. You're going to see a video here in just a second. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you. Give us a shout at the office, 262-476-5045, or check out our website at www.gibuys.com. And as always, folks, save thousands and buy used from Green Industrial today.